My name's Gwen. I work at Coast and Country Cottages from the Salcombe office, and I'm the Managed Services Manager. My main responsibility is to ensure that all of our holiday cottages are ready for all incoming guests and that high expectations are met. We offer different levels of bespoke service, and our new properties team will be happy to talk these through with you when you join us. Our owner managed service will work best for those owners that live near the property or have their own caretaker on site and that would like to remain hands-on. For our owner managed properties, we will find your customers, administer your bookings, we will be the point of contact for your customers, and we will provide 24-hour on-call support. Our agency managed service will work best for those owners who live further away from the property, who would like less hassle and want to be less hands-on. For our agency managed properties, we will arrange the cleaning, we will visit during the changeover periods, we will fix any maintenance issues and provide on-call 24-hour support. For new properties, the managed service team will ensure that your property is compliant with all legislative documents, including landlord gas safety certificate and fire risk assessment. We will make sure that the property is ready to go live on the website. We will also perform property inspection notes so that our team are well aware of how everything works in your property. For our new properties, the agency managed option may take away the hassle of getting your property live on our website. As the Managed Services Manager, I'm responsible for training our seasonal assistants. I run a weekly changeover report which shows the incoming and outgoing bookings. These are then distributed amongst our team who will check the property. Our seasonal assistants will check the properties during the changeover period. They will be checking for any damage caused by the previous guests and any maintenance or cleanliness issues. They will also ensure that your property is kept secure. During the winter months, we visit our agency managed properties on a fortnightly basis. This is to check for any potential issues and to ensure that the properties are kept secure. The benefit of our winter checks is to minimise any potential issues and to ensure that when you visit your property, all issues have been rectified and you can enjoy your stay. If there are any issues that arise with your property, we have a loyal network of local contractors which we use. Everything from plumbers, electricians, gardeners and window cleaners. Our owners do not need to contact the contractors. All communication will be done via us, and we will pay the invoices on your behalf and they will show on your monthly statements. To find out more about our bespoke levels of service, please contact the Salcombe office on 01548 843 773.